Want to get cheat sheets, audiobooks, lessons, apps, and much more every month for free? Just click the link in the description to get your free language gifts of the month.
Hi guys, welcome back to Cantonese Top Words. Today we're going to talk about 10 lines you need for introducing yourself. My name is, I'm how old, whatever. Let's start. 我個名係 My name is 我個名係 Olivia. My name is Olivia. 我個名係 Superman. My name is Superman. Or you can say 我係 that means I am. So 我係 Olivia. I am Olivia. Or I'm called 我叫 Olivia. I'm called Olivia. Please practice and introduce yourself in the comment section. 我嚟自 I come from 我嚟自香港 I come from Hong Kong 我嚟自加拿大 I come from Canada 我嚟自火星 I come from Mars 我住喺 I live in 我住喺 it's literally I live in 我住喺銅鑼灣 I live in Causeway Bay that's a district in Hong Kong 我住喺柏林 I live in Berlin 我住喺巴西 I live in Brazil or you can just put a place 我住喺山窿 I live in a cave I'm a caveman 我學咗廣東話1年 I have been learning Cantonese for 1 year 我學咗廣東話1年 I have been learning Cantonese 1 year or some people who are really fluent and you ask how long have you been studying Cantonese maybe they'll say 我學咗廣東話10年10 years, 10年。我喺 CantoneseClass101.com 學廣東話 I learned Cantonese at CantoneseClass101.com. Where else? Or you're watching our YouTube videos, then you can tell people 我喺 YouTube 學廣東話 I learned Cantonese at YouTube. 我26歲 I'm 26 years old. I'm 12 years old. 我12歲 Some kid might come up to tell you我3歲 I'm 3 years old. Yeah, usually people do this. 我係一個教師 I'm a teacher. Now you tell people your occupation or what you do for living. 我係一個教師 I'm a teacher. 教師 is teacher. 我係一個消防員 I'm a firefighter. 我係一個醫生 I'm a doctor. What are you? What do you do? Tell us. 我其中一個嗜好係跳舞One of my hobbies is to dance. 我其中一個嗜好係跳舞。I don't know. 我鍾意聽音樂。I enjoy listening to music. 音樂 is music. What's your favorite type of music? You start with 我鍾意 is like I like. I can say 我鍾意去旅行。I enjoy traveling. 去旅行 is traveling. And you can say 我鍾意學廣東話。I enjoy learning Cantonese.With me, Olivia. 好高興認識你 Nice to meet you. 好高興認識你 is a bit formal. 好高興 means very happy. 認識你 is to meet you, to make you an acquaintance. If it's a more casual situation, you can say 好開心識到你好開心 very happy 識到你 to know you. So I'm very happy to have known you. 好開心識到你 So that's it for today.Those are the 10 lines you need for introducing yourself. Please check out the word list from CantoneseClass101.com and introduce yourself with Cantonese and write it in the comments. Subscribe so you can see more of our videos. I'll see you next time. I'm Olivia. 我係 Olivia. 下次見. See you next time. Bye. Hi everyone. Welcome back to CantoneseClass101.com's Cantonese Top Words. Today we're going to talk about 10 questions you should know. Let's start. 你好嗎? How are you? 你好嗎? We use it just like how are you, especially when we're catching up with our friends. So it's more like casual greetings. 你叫咩名? What's your name? 你叫咩名? 名 is name. So 你叫咩名? What's your name? 我係 Olivia. 呢個係咩? What is it? 呢個係咩? Say you don't know what it is or what it's called in Cantonese. You say 呢個係咩? What is it? 你幾時生日? When is your birthday? 你幾時生日? My birthday is in January. Tell us your birthday in the comment section, please. 你住喺邊? Where do you live? 你住喺邊? 住 is the verb to live. So 我住喺香港, I live in Hong Kong. 我住喺日本, I live in Japan. And so on. Where do you live? Tell us. 你幾多歲? How old are you? 你幾多歲? 歲 is like years old. But it's not very common to ask people how old they are, especially female. Maybe for kids and elderly seniors, you can ask them 你幾多歲? How old are you? 你有冇去過香港? Have you ever been to Hong Kong? 香港 is Hong Kong, so you can substitute it with other country names. 你有冇去過日本? Have you ever been to Japan? 你有冇去過泰國? Have you ever been to Thailand? And this is Thailand, by the way. 廁所喺邊? Where is the washroom? 廁所喺邊? 廁所 is a washroom or bathroom. Very important question you need to know. 你幾多號電話? What's your phone number? 你幾多號電話? 電話 is telephone, but in this case, everybody understands that it means phone number. If you need to contact someone, ask for their phone number. 你喺邊度學廣東話? Where did you learn Cantonese? 你喺邊度學廣東話? Of course, now you have to tell people you're learning from CantoneseClass101.com. That's it for today. Today we talked about 10 questions you should know. Please subscribe, leave a comment, check out CantoneseClass101.com for the word list. And I'll see you next time. I'm Olivia. Bye! Hi everyone, welcome to Cantonese Top Words. Today we're going to talk about top 10 compliments you always want to hear. Everybody loves compliments, right? So here we go. 你好靚仔, you are handsome. 你好靚仔, you are handsome. 靚 means pretty and 仔 is kind of like boy, so pretty boy, handsome. If you want to say it to a girl, you can say 你好靚女, you're pretty. Next. 你好叻, you're smart. 你好叻, you're smart. 叻 is the adjective for smart, so you can say that to kids or adults, and we all love to hear that. You're smart. 你好叻. 你係一個好好嘅朋友. You are an awesome friend. 你係一個好好嘅朋友. You are an awesome friend. Are you an awesome friend? 好好 means like very good. 朋友 is friend. So 你係一個好好嘅朋友. You are an awesome friend. Next. 你嘅內在美仲靚過你嘅外在美. Your inside is even more beautiful than your outside. 你嘅內在美仲靚過你嘅外在美. Your inside is even more beautiful than your outside. 內在美 means inner beauty, and 外在美 is outer beauty, like appearance. So 內 is in, 外 is outside. It sounds very similar, but be careful. So 內 and 外 outside, and 內 inside. 你嘅內在美仲靚過你嘅外在美. Your inside is even more beautiful than your outside. 你嘅履歷好出色. Your resume is impressive. 你嘅履歷好出色. Your resume is impressive. We usually hear this when we go for a job interview. 履歷 means resume or CV. 出色 means impressive. So, for example, you graduate from Stanford, Harvard, and you're exactly what the company is looking for. So they are very impressive. And that's why you get to go to the job interview. And they will say, 你嘅履歷好出色. Next. 做得好, great job, or good job. 做得好, great job, or good job. 做得好, 做 is to do, 好 is good. So you have done it very well. 做得好, good job. Next. 呢件外套好襯你. That jacket looks nice on you. 呢件外套好襯你. That jacket looks nice on you. 外套 is jacket. It looks nice on you. 好襯你. But literally it means it goes well. It matches you very well. So it looks good. 好襯你. Next. 你好有品味 You have good taste. 你好有品味 You have good taste. 品味 is taste, or sometimes we say tasty. That is the long word from English. 你好有 tasty, or 你好有品味. Next. 你嘅笑容好靚 Your smile is beautiful. 你嘅笑容好靚 Your smile is beautiful. 笑容 smile. 靚 is beautiful or pretty, so 你嘅笑容好靚 Your smile is beautiful. Everybody is prettier when they smile, so always smile. Next. 你好靚 You look gorgeous. 你好靚 You look gorgeous. So as we mentioned, 你好靚仔 is for a guy, you are handsome, and 你好靚女 is for a girl. So 你好靚 and 你好靚女 are pretty similar. It both means that you're pretty, you're beautiful. So that's it for today. Today we talked about top 10 compliments you always want to hear. Do you have any compliments that you like to use or you always hear? Let us know in the comment section. Please subscribe and check out the word list on CantoneseClass101.com. And I'll see you next time. I'm Olivia. Bye! In this lesson, we'll learn some of the most common greetings used in Hong Kong. 準備好未? Are you ready? 咁就開始啦. Let's start. The most common informal greeting is hello. Hello. Just as you can guess, hello is just hello with the Cantonese pronunciation. We use it when meeting someone just like in English. But be careful, this is very casual, so don't use it for business meetings. And now let's discuss a more formal way to greet people. The one you're probably used to hearing is 你好, 你好. Literally, 你好 means you are well. However, we may also interpret it as hello. We use 你好 when meeting someone for the first time or for higher-ranking people, such as the elderly. When it's time to leave, we say bye-bye for informal situations. And you are right, it's just like the English bye-bye with a Cantonese pronunciation. Bye-bye. And in formal situations, use 再見. 再見. 再見 means goodbye. Finally, in Cantonese, we have an expression meaning see you soon that can be considered both formal and informal. 下次見. 下次見. Now you can greet people in many different ways in Cantonese. Let's go over them again. When meeting your friends or family, say hello. When leaving in an informal situation, say bye-bye. When meeting older people or someone you don't know, 你好. When leaving in a formal situation, 再見. And to say see you soon in a way that's formal and informal, say 下次見. It's easy, isn't it? Now it's time for Olivia's insights. In formal situations, Cantonese speakers commonly greet each other by shaking hands. But if we meet someone we're very close with, we pat each other on the arm or on the back. 下次見. Hi, I'm Olivia. Nice to meet you. In this series, we're going to learn basic Cantonese expressions. It's super easy and it only takes 3 minutes. In this lesson, you're going to learn how to introduce yourself in Cantonese. There are a few different ways to say it, depending on how many people you're talking to. Let's first see how Cantonese speakers introduce themselves to a single person. 你好，我係 Olivia. 好高興認識你. Hi, I'm Olivia. Nice to meet you. 你好，我係 Olivia. 好高興認識你. Start by saying 你好，我係, then say your name. 你好，我係 Olivia. Finally, say 好高興認識你. 你好，我係 Olivia. 好高興認識你. Good job! Now let's see the same sentence when talking to more than one person. 你好，我係 Olivia. 好高興認識你哋. Hi, I'm Olivia. Nice to meet you all. 你好，我係 Olivia. 好高興認識你哋. So, what has changed from the previous introduction? Let's take a closer look at these together. 你好，我係 Olivia has not been changed. 你好，我係 stands in both cases for Hi, I am. Finally, pay attention to the ending. We went from你 to 你哋. What has changed is the word for you. In Cantonese, the word for you is different if it is singular or plural. 你 is singular, and 你哋 is plural. One more time. To introduce yourself to one person in Cantonese is 你好，我係 Olivia. 好高興認識你. To introduce yourself to more than one person is 你好，我係 Olivia. 好高興認識你哋. Now it's time for Olivia's insights. When you introduce yourself, it's a good habit to shake hands. Always introduce yourself to the higher-ranking persons before those of lower rank. In most cases, the person of the highest ranking will be the most elder person. If you use the correct sentence with Cantonese speakers, they're definitely going to be impressed. 下次見, see you then.
How are your Cantonese listening skills? First, you'll see an image and hear a question. Next comes a short dialogue. Listen carefully and see if you can answer correctly. We'll show you the answer at the end. Are you ready?
一對男女喺度傾緊偈，總共會有幾多人嚟個 party 呢？
聽日就係 party 咯喎。
有邊個嚟啊？
我哋兩個啦，仲有我兩個朋友同埋個先生。
即係5個人。
啊，先生會同佢老婆一齊嚟。
好啊。總共會有幾多人嚟個 party 呢？一對男女喺度傾緊偈，總共會有幾多人嚟個 party 呢？
聽日就係 party 咯喎。
有邊個嚟啊？
我哋兩個啦，仲有我兩個朋友同埋個先生。
即係5個人。
啊，先生會同佢老婆一齊嚟。
好啊。
Did you get it right? I hope you learned something from this quiz. Let us know if you have any questions. See you next time.